Hello, my brothers and sisters. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are coming from. If today is your first time come across my video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification so that any day, anytime I go live, you will be the first to see. Yes, my brothers and sisters, don't carry another Obunga matter come again today. Today, wait now, they come. So wetin I don carry come today na this thing wey I dey tell una today. Germany say at Mittwoch nobody go outside from 5 o'clock in the morning. No, for 5 o'clock normal nobody dey fit comot. If you no dey go work, if you no dey do anything, nobody dey fit comot. That one na normal because I not sure say anybody go comot for outside for 5 o'clock. That one don work. Then say from 9 o'clock. No comot outside from 9 o'clock in the evening, starting from Mittwoch. Mittwoch now means Wednesday. From Wednesday, nobody go dey comot outside from 9 o'clock in the evening, in the night. No comot outside. If they see you for outside, now you know wetin you dey find for outside though. Una know say Germany law, it dey always stand. You dey hear me? So it dey always stand. Well, this law where they don't put now, so this law they don't put am because say na coronavirus na im be say na another lockdown again. They don't put lockdown, they can't still put another lockdown join, say nobody go dey comot outside. So my people, this law na law when e be say na im dey happen. Una know say Germany don stop, say Germany don talk say they go dey deport people. So they go dey deport people, they can't still dey put lockdown, they can't still dey put many things, say make people not dey do anything, make people not dey comot outside, make people not dey as everybody upstanding means say may you give your fellow people many space, not go near them. So now everybody not they near each other, but that one not stop Germany. May they not they carry their own something where then they do like all this kind of deportation of things where then they do. You not nap them, may they not they do more. So as then they do this thing now, where then they do so now. Una know say Germany don't prepare to deport people for this 20 and 21. Me I no go fit tell on so because now the way where me I they think now I'm after they carry and they tell on so. So now that they gonna say make people not they come out outside now that kind 9 o'clock. But all these things where then they do now, but you not keep them say me they not they go they deport people. You not put them say me they not they go they deport people, because now people now whether now what they want do now be say make people not they too come out outside though, so that it go let them deport people where they want deport though. Me I not really know because this deportation of things where then they do the last one where they do for Berlin, many people come out outside. Many they come they many people protest for that one where they do before. But me I really know say not be because say they won't go as because say they want deport people now it make them do this one. Me I know say not be him, but Germany they plan many things to carry people. They say they want deport 31,000 Nigerians go. They want deport many people go different country, not be only Nigeria. And some people say 12,000, some people say 7,000, some people say this. Now rumor everybody they carry, but nah. Nobody know how many people Germany want deport because you where they mention 30 people, 20 people, 50 people. Many people they come out for Germany every day because nobody want me them deport them. So me una know say more una know they guess so many people Germany want deport. So waiting make me be they talk and be say my people, you know say if Germany don't plan to deport people, they not come see you, they not go fit deport you. So why be say would they talk and be say may would they be careful, especially this month called April. Them plan and well. Now they don't say now I meet work me say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. They want to start Wednesday. Now they will start to they lock their country down. So nobody go feed they come out from app. Some the 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock, you know, if you go outside, if you go outside, you meet police, you are on your own, and you before anywhere you go, make sure say you don't come back by 9 o'clock, 8:30, you don't reach your house, because if they see you, na problem for you, because you when it be say you get problem with them, especially all this kind of deportation of problem, or you don't give them something that they find you to carry you go, and you can't be like say e can't reach that time when e be say dem say make you no comot outside, you can't go comot. My brother, my sister, make you check am now. That thing no go fit dey easy for you. So my people, please, I beg una in the name of God, please, where people when e be say they don already get the problem, please make una avoid these people, make una avoid them, so that this kind of thing will not happen to anybody where we know. So my brother, my sister, make una enter house, especially when you don reach like this kind of 9 o'clock, may you enter house, so that anything will not happen to you. I know say when I come talk about this thing, people not dey too happy, but if you not happy, but people, I know say people go happy for it. People go take the information, because anything where you know say you no go fit do by yourself, when you see who do am, they appreciate am, because na him God come talk say wetin you know say you cannot do, learn how to appreciate people that know how to do it. So thank una so much, my people. I no come here come waste time, too much time. Now this quick video I say I can't give una today. This thing go start mid-fall, and if you start mid-fall, is very important to all those ones when e be say they don't get document for this country. You know say person when e be say you never get document, they can't catch am for this country, they can't tell am say you pay 20,000 euro, you fit comot for the country, because you know say you not get document, you fit comot. But you when e be say you don't get document, you no go fit comot for this country, because say dem say make you pay 20,000 euro, or because say dem say make you pay 100,000 euro. So you no go fit comot, you go there for the country to face any reality where you dey see, you must face am. So you no go fit do anything, any bad thing, you no go fit do am. That is why e be say you need to stay the country. Anything where you see, you need to stay. So you need to stay that, as in taking stay, because say you no go fit use because of money take comot. So my people, please, man, be careful. The ones who don't get document, the ones who never get, because if me now, as I dey now like this, German come carry me, come give me like 30,000 euro, may I take pay for strafe. I don't know, I not go pay that kind of money. Instead of me to pay 30,000 euros strafe, I will come out for their country, leave am for them, go another country, go stay. Now so me I go fit do, because I know go fit go they pay money, that kind of amount of money. I go they pay that kind of amount of money. I know go come stay for the as I no go fit dey work, dey take care of myself. So now you go make am be say I no go fit stay that country, I will comot. So you get document, you no go comot go. So now you make it be say you no go get problem, you no go wan get problem for the countryside. So my brother, my people, thank una so much. Now the information when I say I can't give una be that. Please, if not today be the first time where you take come across my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification so that any day, anytime I go live or I post video, you will be the first to see. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Share the video to your family and your neighbors, so that everybody go get the information. Mid-work, now come out outside yo by 9 o'clock. If you come out, you know what you see. Thank you so much. Bye bye guys. Bye.
Spells on the beat.